cooking apa?
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Appa's daughter requested me to make some belacan fried chicken tonight. So I have some middle wings here. Easier to fry, yeah. Why I choose middle wing is because it's easier to fry. Then I make few slits. I score the chicken so that the flavor can go in earlier. Why I do this? Because today I don't have time to pre-marinate the chicken. If you have time to pre-marinate the chicken for 2-3 hours before frying, then you don't really have to score. So I'm scoring because I'm marinating it right now, and I will actually fry immediately right after this. Okay. So this dish super easy, marinate, fry. Then I have an egg here, some fine salt, fine sugar, white pepper, my cooking appa chicken stock powder. Most important thing here, belacan powder. Yeah, this is toasted belacan powder. Finishing already. Need to buy another one. Some oyster sauce, some premium Vietnamese fish sauce, and Shaoxing wine and cornstarch. Right, I'm going to start. Where should we start? So let's start with the belacan powder. This is toasted belacan powder. If you don't have the toasted belacan powder, you can just go and buy the normal. Go and buy the normal belacan and toast yourself. Okay, about 2 teaspoons here. So my cooking appa chicken stock powder, we can get it from Shopee Malaysia or Shopee Singapore or any envied Vietnamese restaurant throughout the whole Malaysia. The belacan powder is very, very fragrant. A little bit of oyster sauce here to give it some more umami flavor, but not too much, because oyster sauce contains sugar. It will make it dark quite easily. I choose to use fish sauce instead of light soy sauce also because I don't want to make it too dark while frying. Yeah, Shaoxing wine. This will help to remove the gaminess of the meat. Fine salt. You do need to give it some sugar to balance the flavor. This is fine sugar. Few dashes of white pepper. Some cornstarch. Then we put in the egg. Then we mix everything nicely together. I will just use my hand today. I remember some people commented before saying, Appa, how come you use your bare hand instead of wearing gloves? I don't wear gloves at home when cooking. Look at the beautiful golden color. This golden color partly comes from the egg yolk, yeah? So if you prefer more crust, what you can do here is, there are two methods. You can actually coat the chicken with some flour before you fry, or you just put in more cornstarch right now. By having some flu. So I'll set this aside when I go and prepare the wok. So let's prepare a deeper pan or a wok. Put in some oil and heat it up to about 140, 150 degrees Celsius. No need to be too hot. Once you have heated up the oil, then we can put in the chicken. Today I'm lazy, so I won't coat it for another layer of the cornstarch. Still will taste really good. My daughter alone, she can eat quite a lot. One person by herself. So we will fry until it is cooked. I would say it will probably takes about 5 to 7 minutes. It is after the first 1 minute plus a bit. Let me turn it around. Oh, look at the beautiful golden color that we are getting today. because we are not using light soy sauce. If we put light soy sauce, very easy to get darkened. The color won't be too nice, yeah? Already very appetizing. Smells so good. Appa's hungry now. If you have any family member doesn't have any appetite to eat, try making this dish. They will eat. Trust me. Oh, can you see the beautiful golden color? Oh, look at this. This is after about total cook frying time about 4 minutes. So I'll give it another about 2 minutes, then should be done. So plus minus about 6 minutes, yeah? This is about 5-6 minutes. Should be okay now. Oh. Right, except for this one, the rest all okay already. So I'm going to take the chicken out, the wings out, and put it on top of an oil absorbing paper. Then it is done. Alright, look at how beautiful it is. I hope you like my very simple video today. If you like my video, do share my video on the Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook page to click like and follow button. Follow Appa on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.